Hey, what's going on? My name's Tim, one of the founders here at Scary Good Marketing. And if you're watching this, you're watching our 31 days of Scary Good Marketing tips and tricks. And today I want to share with you the second best advertising campaign that you should be running in your business. Yesterday we talked about the first, but today we're going to talk about the second. That's right, we are going to talk about the second best ad campaign. And if you watched our video yesterday, we talked about the first best ad campaign that you could be running in your business. And this one really does come in second because it is very, very simple to set up, just like the one that we did yesterday. But you're still going to be able to see really good results. And that is anniversary campaigns. Now, with that being said, anniversary campaigns just work pretty much almost just as well as birthday campaigns. The only difference is with anniversary campaigns, you are really targeting the other person in the relationship. So realistically, we like to think that there are 4 demographics that you need to write for, 4 different ads that you can potentially have. So the way that we like to think about it with these 4 different demographics is you have males and females, and then you also have straight and gay and lesbian couples, and you want to really make sure that you are segmenting these out to see the best results in your advertising. And the reason for that is because the way that you want to position your anniversary offer is, if you are, let's say we're going after a straight male, then you want your entire offer to revolve around what they are going to be buying for their significant other who is a female, right? So you want to make sure that you are targeting it that way, and your offer and your ad talks about that. So for example, let's say that we are an Italian restaurant. I know that I tend to use restaurants as examples quite often, but I do really love food. So food is always on my mind other than marketing and advertising. So with that being said, let's say that we are Scary Good Italian food, right? So if we were going to run an ad, what I would say is I'd be like, hey, your anniversary is coming up. And we know that there's 10,000 different things that you could probably do, and you're going to have to run around and buy these things and order them and make sure that and hope that they get here on time. But instead of stressing and worrying about all of those things, we actually got you covered. We know that you probably want to go and have a nice romantic dinner and have a nice romantic evening. Well, we actually put together this entire romantic evening anniversary package, where when you come in, or if you order for delivery or takeout or whatever, it's actually a 3-course meal. So you get, your appetizer, you get your main course, you get a dessert, and we threw in, and you're also going to get a bottle of our this wine, right? We're going to give you a bottle of wine, and we actually went and we partnered with one of the florists here, and you're going to get this nice thing of roses and a bouquet of roses, and we have this like teddy bear thing, and we also partnered up with this spa, and they're going to get a spa day package, and you get all of these things, and everything together is valued at $350. But if you call and order and purchase today, you can get it for $150, right? So you can see that, just like in one of the earlier videos in the series, we took bundling and we put that together and we came up with this offer, right? And you can see how that, if you ran that and marketed that to males for their anniversary, for their significant other, they're probably, because the thing that you're selling is not this big package. You're selling the convenience of not having to run around, spend the entire day, going online, worrying about all that stuff. Really, it's click this one button and you can get all of it done, and she's going to absolutely love this, and she's going to think it's the best anniversary gift, and you didn't really spend any time really having to go and set all of this up. We did everything for you, right? That's what you're selling. And then the same thing, right? You want to, if it's for a female, you want to figure out, okay, what are the things that men probably want, right? Maybe it's X, Y, Z, whatever. Of course, it's going to depend on what your products and your services are, but really think about your demographics in that way when setting up these campaigns. And yes, maybe as an Italian restaurant, maybe we don't even market to females in a straight relationship, because we just know that men are really going to be our target market, and we want them to be the ones paying for the dinner. We want them to be doing all of those things, right? And kind of do it that way, right? And then the same thing, if it was, you know, like a lesbian couple, then maybe instead of just having one thing for a spa day, maybe you do a couples spa day, right? Or maybe even with a gay couple, whatever it is, right? I don't know enough about all of the markets, and I don't know enough about all of your business, but really figure out, how do you talk to those demographics? How do you put together an offer and run that as your anniversary campaigns? And I guarantee you, if you do this and you think about it and you just take the time to really work on this, running this kind of campaign is, you're really going to see a big lift in sales and just success overall, because businesses just don't take the time to do these things. They're not thinking about these things, or they may not even know about these things. And like I said, any business, every business can really capitalize on this. So really take the time, think about it, stretch your imagination a little bit when it comes to these things. And like I said, if you're interested in any of these ad campaigns that we have really talked about, any of that stuff, like I said, we do both consulting, where we will consult with you, really help you solidify on these marketing plans, or we will actually go and actually just do all of these things for you, and you don't even have to think about how to set it up, how to do any of that. We do all of it for you. And like I said, we charge a monthly fee to do that. We go set up the campaigns and run all of your advertising for you. So if you're interested in any of those, I left a link in the description, or you can schedule a strategy session with us to see if we would be a good fit working together, and if it just makes sense. And if so, and you'd like to move forward, then we can talk about that. And if not, then we wish you the best of luck in your business. And yeah, that's pretty much it that I have for you today. If you found this video useful or helpful, make sure to subscribe here to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to come back tomorrow to get our next Scary Good Marketing tip and trick video.